Now we stop it because we turn it. I shall see. Now this is the park, and we are sitting here. And this is my nanny again. You like remove your sunglasses?
I cannot see because of the sun.
Yes, that's why you can put again.
Show the.
And this is the restaurant. And in the trees.
Getting the ice cream.
Yes, and in the trees, the colorful things. When it's night is turning on. This is the colorful light.
Go there. Show them the bed.
And these tables.
Closer.
These are the tables. And it's closer. And then here is the check. Weights. Check weights and mango, but it's so long to wait. And then this is nice trees. This is a coconut tree.
It's not coconut. This is not coconut. I told you that it's coconut. No. I know what is coconut tree. That is not coconut tree.
Get coconut.
That is just like a nahaw.
And that's not coconut tree. I don't know what tree is it. But my nan said it's coconut.
No, I'm not telling you. I am not the one telling you. I don't know whose nanny you are talking about. What can you say about others' vlog? Did you enjoy?
It's not finished. It's not finished.
It's not yet finished.
Yes, it's not finished. It's have more, a lot more.
So, do you still have something to say about?
For a long time.
How many minutes you need to wait for the check? Oh, just like I'm hearing the check already. Show them the check. You have to turn it like this.
Yes.
And you have to. The check is coming. You have to wait for the check to come.
What? Check is going, I think.
Yeah.
Check is
coming.
Going.
Going where?
Coming. Look, this is a check, the blue thing.
That is our service.
And the
all the people that are coming and going to their houses are riding on the check.
Yes.
Because the place is so hilly, so it's not easy to walk.
Let's go. This is the door. This is the seats.
Wait, I will give At ito na nga guys, sakay-sakay na kami ng check at napakaswerte namin ng aking alaga dahil dalawa lang kaming pasahero at this time. Kaya naman ang aking alaga ay napakasaya.
Ayan po siya. Usually guys, ang check-check is punuan around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock kasi yan yung mga oras na kung saan pauwi na yung mga taong galing sa dagat, pauwi sa kanilang mga bahay. At kami naman guys is uuwi lang for our lunch, and after that, babalik din kami ng seaside para sa aming afternoon swimming. And we are planning also guys na i-witness naman yung sunset for today. Kaya naman guys, yun po yung aming program for today.
Keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back.
So guys, andito na nga kami sa bahay. Ayan. Ito yung kanilang summer house. Dikit-dikit din siya, parang subdivision. Parang mga bahay sa subdivision din sa atin, dyan sa Pilipinas. Pero sobrang ganda. Ayun, makikita niyo yung dagat. At meron din nga palang puno ng olive dito guys. Ito yung puno ng olive. So, kung di nyo na itatanong guys, dito sa Ayvalık, ang pinakamagandang quality ng olive oil dito sa Turkey. So, ayan. Ayan yung olive. So maraming product ang nanggagaling sa olive. Meron silang olive oil, syempre. Meron silang olive soap. Meron silang mga olive, different olives na black and green. At ito nga guys, nandito pa rin ang kanilang biblical fruits tree na kung tawagin ay igos. So, igos is a biblical fruits guys. Ayan. So, in a few days, i-harvest na nila. Kung mapapansin nyo guys. Ayan. Some of the fruits are yellowish na. So, kapag yellowish na, ano na siya, malapit ng mahinog. Ayan. Andito pa rin tong punong to. At napakarami pa rin niyang mamunga guys. Sobrang dami. Pero this year, parang ang liliit ng bunga niya. Hindi katulad last year na sobrang lalaki na at naubutan na namin na hinog na siya. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung medyo maaga kaming nagbakasyon kasi or talagang late na munga tong igos na to. And to share with you guys about Turkey, based dun sa nabasa ko, Turkey is the largest producer ng igos and pomegranate and apricot. So, ang Turkey ang siyang pinakamalaking producer sa buong mundo ng prutas na ito. Ayan. And we are here again guys sa seaside para nga i-witness ang magandang sunset for today. Kaya naman nag-aantay lang kami ng paglubog ng araw guys. So guys, nandito pa nga kami ni Ada ngayon sa seaside. And it's already 7:55 pero ang taas-taas pa rin ng araw. Dahil gusto nga namin antayin ang what we're waiting for?
The sun!
The sunset! We're waiting for the sunset! And it's so beautiful. Oh, tingnan mo. Look guys. Ayan. It's Mag-8 o'clock na, pero ang taas pa rin ng sikat ng araw. Palubog na actually, guys. Ayan, very calm na talaga yung dagat. And the temperature ng sea is 22. Pero sobrang sarap, guys. Kasi sobrang init ngayon, pero ang lamig ng tubig. So, perfect lang. Balance lang siya.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back.
Ang Ibalik para sa akin, ang may pinakamagandang sunset so far sa mga napuntahan ko.
And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you
And I would like to share with you also, guys, yung sunset na makikita mo kapag nandito ka na sa bahay. So, ganyan po talaga siya kaganda, na parang painting na lang siya pag nakita mo at pag tinititigan mo yung langit. Napakaganda po talaga niya. Kulay orange, na may purple, na may pink, na may blue. Hindi mo po talaga ma-explain kung gaano kaganda talaga yung nature. Kaya naman talagang magugustuhan mong mag-stay dito para lang i-witness yung ganitong klaseng nature na meron tayo. At dahil nga, guys, 50 years wedding anniversary nila Lolo at Lola, after sunset, dumiretso na kami sa city center ng Ibalik na kung tawagin nila ay Junda. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, very lively ang kanilang city center. Hindi ito yung first time ng aking pagbisita dito sa lugar na to, pero para sa akin, guys, every year parang bago ng bago dahil every year laging may bago sa lugar na to. Katulad na lamang ng restaurant na ito. Dati na to nandito, guys, pero in-enhance nila yung kanilang lugar, yung kanilang restaurant na nagdagdag sila ng isa sa pinaka-famous decoration na kung tawagin na Evil Eye. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, maraming mga tao na nagpipicture at nagpapapicture sa lugar na ito. At syempre, guys, bago kami pumunta dito, nagpa-reserve na sila Lola at Lola sa restaurant na ito. Ayan na nga po siya. And syempre, guys, after dinner, hindi mawawala sa amin ang Turkish ice cream na gustong-gusto namin lahat. So, iba po talaga yung Turkish ice cream kumpara sa mga ordinary or kahit na special ice cream na natikman natin. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood and see you on my next vlog.
in my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, can take